Water can sometimes become trapped in the ear canal after swimming, showering, or bathing. When water gets trapped in the ear, it can cause discomfort, a sensation of fullness, and even temporary hearing loss. It's essential to remove the water promptly to prevent irritation or infection. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to get water out of your ear. First method, gravity. Start by tilting your head to the side, with the affected ear facing downward. Gently tug on your earlobe and hop on one foot. This motion can help dislodge the water and encourage drainage. Stay in this position for a few moments to allow the water to flow out naturally. Second method, create a vacuum. Press the palm of your hand firmly against the affected ear to create a vacuum. Quickly remove your hand. The change in pressure may help draw the water out of the ear canal. The third method, utilize gravity and vibration. Lie down on your side with the affected ear facing downward. Using the palm of your hand, gently tap the ear in a cupping motion. This tapping, combined with gravity, may help dislodge the trapped water and encourage drainage. And method number 4, which is the most successful method to get water out of ear, if it's done correctly, just add more water. Add a few more drops of water into the affected ear. Leave it up to 5 seconds so the added water will mix with trapped water inside your ear. Then quickly tilt the affected ear towards your shoulder. You will feel the water drain out of your ear. You may need to repeat this method a few times if needed. To prevent water from getting trapped in your ears in the future, consider wearing earplugs while swimming or showering, tilting your head to the side to allow water to drain out after water exposure, and drying your ears thoroughly with a towel or a hairdryer on a low setting. By following these steps, you can effectively remove water from your ear and alleviate discomfort. If you experience persistent symptoms or have concerns about your ear health, consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and management. Thank you for watching. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.